Hello everyone, it's Tim Gamey with Alborz Real Estate Company. We specialize in residential property management throughout Denver metro area. Today I'd like to talk to you about how we would manage your property. Before I go into details, let me first share with you that we are not an inventory-driven property management operations, meaning that we would manage no more than 100 properties in our portfolio so that we know each and every property we manage by heart and we know everything about that property. One thing that is very important to many rental property owners is repairs and maintenance. Here at Alborz, we pay a lot of attention to that. Let me tell you exactly how we handle that. Let's start by saying that a tenant would call in and say one of the appliances, the oven, doesn't work. As soon as that work order comes in, you will receive a text alert from us saying that your tenant has complained about the oven not working. We will then contact the tenant and do some diagnostic tests over the phone to see if we can get the oven to work. If we have to send an appliance technician to the property, you will also receive another text saying that, let's say, ABC Appliance Repair Company has been selected to evaluate the repair. Once the technician gets to the property and they evaluate the situation, they will let us know what it costs and what needs to be done. We will immediately, via another text alert, inform you that exactly what is going to happen. Once the work is done, we will get the bill. Obviously, we'll pay for it within the next couple months from the rental income. What's important to share with you is that you will know exactly what's going on from beginning to the end. Unless you tell us, don't bother me, I don't need to know. We also do routine preventative maintenance. In other words, we won't wait till things break down. For instance, every year in early October, we check each and every furnace and making sure they are clean and ready to go for the winter and also for the high usage. Same thing with the sprinkler system. We winterize it before winter arrives, and in early spring we turn it on, we inspect it and making sure the system is in a great working condition so that our landscape area is not going to suffer as a result. In conclusion, I want to share with you that we are very much hands-on and we micromanage your property for you. We have learned throughout the years, the more we are hands-on and involved and we micromanage, it's better for the owners, it's better for the tenant, and it's also better for the property manager. Please give me a call if you have any questions. This is just a brief of what we do for each and every property. And if there is anything that I can provide you with, I'm just a phone call away. Thank you very much. Hope to see you soon.